Hello everyone, welcome to
Taking Risk in the Kitchen.
And today what we're going to make, Juliet?
A good lemon drizzle cake.
Lemon what?
Drizzle cake.
Lemon drizzle cake. Wow, that sounds just delicious. Guys, did you ever try lemon drizzle cake?
Lemon drizzle cake.
Drizzle. Hello everyone and welcome to
Taking Risk in the Kitchen.
Exactly, taking risks in the kitchen. Today we're going to make a very nice recipe. What is the recipe, Juliet?
Lemon drizzle cake.
Lemon drizzle cake. Have you ever tried cake like that? Well, so today Juliet and myself, we're going to make a very nice cake. You have to follow us until the end of this video to see
how good it is and how easy and delicious it is.
Exactly. Yes. So if you follow us, you know what to do. Just leave that like.
Like button.
Hey.
And if you aren't subscribers,
Why not?
It only takes 5 seconds and it's not rocket science, and you're free to hear it right down here.
And all the ingredients, as usual, they will be listed on the box below. Now I think you have to follow us to see how nice will become. Follow us.
Okay guys, now that we came to the best part, the tasting. Look at it. It's glistening, it's puffy, and we'll try to see how good it is. You ready?
I am. Are you?
Yeah.
Let's go. Look at that, guys. It looks just look. It looks just
So
delicious.
fluffy.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Where is your bite? Get your bite up. And
Delicious.
No, you're speaking with a mouthful. Okay, guys, it's really delicious. The taste of lemon and the lemon zest on the top, or the lemon drizzle on the top, it's just amazing. Try it at home. Let us know how you got it on, and put in the comments below. Because now, what we're going to do, Juliet?
Eat it all.
We're going to eat it all. Bye.